Welcome to another brand new video. Today I'm going to show you how you can activate add-ons and offer them to your customers. So first you need to go to your business add-on section, and here you can see all of your add-ons that you can activate and offer them to your customers. So let's activate the WhatsApp Verifier add-on by clicking the Activate button. I have to select the gateway, then activate. Now my WhatsApp Verifier add-on is activated. So let's go to My Add-on section, and here you will see all the add-ons that you have activated. From here we will go to Manage Plans, and here you can create your subscription plans or lifetime plans for your add-on. So let's create a plan real quick. I can fit in all of these inputs, and then I have to select a related plan, and I'm going to explain this later in this video. This is important, so stay tuned. Then I'm going to create a plan. Now I have a plan in this add-on. Next step, I have to go to billing and make sure I have added a card, because this is a very important step for offering add-ons. And I'm explaining in detail why we actually need to do this later in this video. So I'm just going to quickly add my card here. So I have added my card. Now let's go to the customer dashboard to see how the customer can purchase this add-on. Alright, so this is customer dashboard, and the customer can go to the add-on section and view all the add-ons that you have activated. Now, you can see there is two tabs, All Add-on and Workspace Add-on. And in this tab, we have our add-on. So why is that? Well, basically, we have two types of add-ons, one global add-on and one workspace add-on. And how does it work is a global add-on can be used across all of the workspaces, regardless of you have purchased this once or not. But for the workspace add-on, it will only work in the workspace that the user has purchased it in. So let me just explain it to you by just purchasing a add-on. So this is a WhatsApp Verifier, a workspace add-on that we have activated from our agency's add-on section. Now from here, we can click Get Add-on from the customer dashboard, and we can see all the plans that we have created from our agency portal. Now let's try to buy this add-on. So I'm going to click Get Started, and I have to select which workspace I want to activate this add-on to. And I have to only do this for the add-ons that are under a workspace, so which are workspace add-ons. So here you can select the workspace that you want this add-on to activate in, and then you can select the card and click Pay to actually purchase the add-on. And then if you want to use this add-on on a different workspace, then you would again have to purchase it and select that workspace instead. So here you can see we have our subscription added with the workspace name main, meaning this add-on has only been activated on the main workspace, and we can use it on the main workspace. So this is how the customer is actually going to purchase the add-on. Now let's go back to agency portal and see how actually all of these add-ons pricing or charges actually occur. So in our agency portal's add-on section, you will see another tab called Add-on Subscriptions. Here you will see all of the add-on purchases that our customers have made. Now here you're going to see there is something called a customer subscription and a related subscription. So how our add-on system works is whenever a customer makes a subscription to your plan, the agency makes a subscription to Lancepilot's related subscription plan. Meaning, every single time your customer pays you for that add-on, your agency needs to pay to Lancepilot for that customer's subscription. I know it's very confusing. That's why we have added a button here called How Add-on Works. If you click on that, then you're going to get a very elaborated description of how the add-on is actually going to work. So I hope if you read this, any confusions will be removed and you will understand how the add-on actually works. Basically, the idea is whenever your customer is paying you, then you have to pay us for that as well, because you're offering the add-on, so that payment is directly going to your Stripe, so you need to pay us separately for the commission that we will get from your customer subscription. And I know it's very confusing, but I hope it's going to be clear when you actually read this section. All right, so thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope this clears everything up for the add-ons, and you can activate your add-on and start offering it to your customers.